Dubai's skyline presents a modernist and futuristic face to the wider world. Its gleaming towers and innovative housing developments are a testament to a vision of the future. And they are the inspiration for a new generation of architects, designers and artists who are using AI to advance human design and creativity in a way we could barely imagine just a few years ago. This technology is ushering in new possibilities for sustainable and human-centric living. And the UAE is at the forefront of testing its boundaries and capturing the benefits for its citizens. Josephine and Tara are architecture students at the School of Architecture, Art and Design at the American University in Dubai. Like the generations who studied before them who built Dubai, they have a keen artistic eye and a curiosity about construction engineering. But Tara and Josephine and their fellow students are also pioneers in a new era of architecture and design. This cohort of students is the first to combine their human talents with the transformative power of generative AI. They'll be submitting their works as entries in a public art exhibition called Dreamscapes, a partnership between Majid Al Futtaim, Dubai Culture and the American University in Dubai. To make sure their entries qualify, the students have to use AI tools to create their designs. The competition is testament to how these new tools are shifting the frontiers of what is possible in design and bringing about new ways of working for both the current generation of architects and designers and the students who will follow in their footsteps. For developers too, AI is already opening new doors. And Ahmed Al Salman, the Chief Executive Officer of Majid Al Futtaim Properties, says it will provide a vital step up in helping us build more livable communities.
Using AI, integrating it with the current automation capabilities helps us to redefine a lot of the physical spaces. What we are trying to do is to be able to curate, have a very bespoke solution that's physically pleasing, but in the same time does change to the ever-evolving needs of the various residents in our communities.
At the same time, AI can offer customers and residents a helping hand in customizing their houses and apartments to better meet their needs and aspirations. Amr Haggag is the head of design at Majid Al Futtaim Properties development business. He believes AI can transform the way we use our living spaces.
Personalization is key for us. By analyzing past design choices and a lot of information online and across different aspects, you can tailor a design solution immediately for the client during real time. So these algorithms can create a lot of design options that help us explore different configurations for the space very efficiently. It becomes a tool for us engineers, architects and designers and even clients to have a co-creation for the design options, and this will give us an inclusive design solution.
But with these new possibilities come new challenges. And senior leaders at Majid Al Futtaim and AUD are working hard to address the practical and ethical questions around AI that will influence the working lives of young creatives.
I believe that striking the right balance where AI complements and augments human strength is crucial for any organization that's trying to adopt AI technology. And by that I mean fostering an agile approach, an innovative approach, an approach where you are allowed to experiment, an approach where you are allowed to fail, but fail fast and learn from that experience.
The Dreamscapes competition is an example of this collaboration and grassroots innovation in action.
Emerging designers are required to have a broad range of skills, including the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. The collaboration between AUD and Majid Al Futtaim is undertaken very much in this spirit of helping students to expand their skill sets in ways that benefit them for future careers in the design industry.
It is very, very rewarding, really, as a tool. But now, to which extent you're going to rely on AI, that's the big question. Of course, there is this danger. Is AI going to take over? Is it going to take our jobs? It's a valid question, of course, and we need to address it.
Dr. Georges Kashami is clear that building a successful career in architecture and design means embracing AI's abilities to augment human creativity. As director of AUD's Centre for Research, Innovation and Design, he's clear about the disruptive impact AI will have on the future for up-and-coming architects and designers.
In all steps of designs, from ideation to development, iterations, and finalization, generative AI serves as a powerful tool and collaborator. The key word here is co-creation. Originally, one of the main processes of creation comes from observing, assimilating, and analyzing existing data in order to generate something new, something different. Now, generative AI can do exactly that with an unprecedented speed and outcome.
In AUD's design labs, Associate Professor Imad Hanna puts the theory behind the creative use of AI into practice. So how are Imad and his teaching colleagues addressing the steep learning curve AI presents for both students and academic staff?
We are at the forefront of this technological innovation. We want to create a safe environment for our students to be able to experiment, to evolve, and most importantly, to adopt this new technology, understand how things are changing.
AI has been a tremendous impact on my students' workflow. It kind of like redefines everything. What I find really challenging working with AI is how to maintain their human input.
What is important is to be able to incorporate the tools in a way that can foster your work, make it more efficient, faster, creative, and always staying relevant in a way that you don't repeat what is able to do without using the technology, apply the technology to come up with something innovative.
For students about to take their first steps into the world of work, the views of AUD faculty on the value of human creativity in the age of AI will be welcome. But how do they see the prospect of building a design career in which AI will be an ever-present co-pilot?
So I envision AI and automation helping us fast-track our design process, so helping us visualize things a lot earlier on, and enabling us to prototype and test things out a lot quicker and at a faster pace than usual.
The AI has actually opened a lot of doors for students in terms of minimizing the amount of time that we need to complete projects, for example. So I'm speaking from an interior design point of view. The things that it used to take us hours and days to do, it is being done within seconds.
I really feel like AI is a very powerful tool to use, especially in architecture and design. However, I do feel like it may lack a certain aspect, which is the creative mind of human beings. So definitely AI can help you out with renders and can be very time efficient. However, in terms of creativity, I really feel like we still have to rely on ourselves.
It already brings in so much creativity and enhances students' creativity. So I feel like we'll definitely have that help we need from AI and generative AI to enhance more innovative architecture in the future.
For Dubai's government, putting culture at the heart of future development is a top priority. Dubai's Culture and Arts Authority wants up-and-coming architects, designers and artists to embrace AI and to define a new vision of Dubai, both locally and globally.
Our culture goals align with broader economic objectives, including diversification, job creation, and fostering an atmosphere where innovation is celebrated. Aiming to be the global capital of the creative economy by 2026, Dubai Vision is for creators to use AI and emerging technologies to realize their potential and contribute to a sustainable society.